Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my mom making fish fry. Let's see how to make fish fry. In non-veg item I like fish. What about you guys? Let's see how to make. First you have to take a tamarind and put into water. Leave it for a 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth. At the same time she's taking pepper and chili. She's making masala for fish fry. Take a mixie jar and put all ingredients and add curry leaves and 1 tomato and grind it. Add turmeric powder and salt and corn flour. Put masala on the fish and mix it well. Leave it for a 20 to 30 minutes for marinate. Once it's finished marinated, take a pan and heat it 5 to 10 minutes and pour some oil and put marinated fish pieces on pan. Fry 3 more minutes on low heat. After 3-4 minutes, flip the fish pieces. It's look black because we use a tamarind. You can use lemon. Now our fish fry is ready and I'm gonna eat. It's too hot. I hope you like my mother recipe. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Tata.